What's up, everybody? I am coming to you from the Utah Motorsports Campus this weekend. I just found out that I get to go for a ride in that thing. That is Christopher Polvoorde's truck. This dude's super cool. He's been driving for about 8 years. And yeah, we're gonna strap me into this thing and see what the heck happens. It's gonna be sweet. That was sweet. Way smoother than I thought it was gonna be, actually. These things have like 2 feet of travel on their suspension. Christopher was just super smooth going around the corners. He's actually on another practice lap right now, so check this out. So I'll say something about these racers. They know how to have a good time and they love their toys. Check this out. I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other. So this Utah Motorsports Complex is pretty sick. They have a little bit of everything on here. They got zip line, they got karting, they have short course trophy trucks, they got rock crawling setups. So this is the Lucas Off-Road Racing Series, and this is considered short course racing. These trophy trucks will also go out into the desert. You can look up Baja 1000, Baja 500. Last week I was actually lucky enough to see the Vegas to Reno 550, I believe that was. Closed course, limited number of cars, and yeah, these guys go nuts. They got everything in here. They got Pro 2, Pro 4, Lite. They got UTVs that are just souped up like crazy. So it's getting ready to go off right now. So they're just getting ready to start the Pro 2s.
Listen to the roar of the horsepower as it comes alive here.
ever get a chance to come out to a trophy truck race, short course race, anything like that, do check it out. These things are insane. These machines are awesome. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna see you next time. Peace.
Up on two wheels in the first corner, takes the lead.